So I got this idea. So right there, my pipe bent there. What happens is I got some water in here, and the weight of the water pulled down and bent that pipe and actually turned it so the bulge is facing outward to try to keep this tight so it doesn't collect water there again. It's kind of like a design flaw, the way the top of these canopies are made. So I've been trying to figure out how to fix that, and I called Harbor Freight and they said you can't order replacement parts for it. I guess you'd have to order a whole new canopy. So I did a little research on the size of these pipes, and it turns out that they're the same size as oh, there's a right there. So see the chain link fence? Those top pipes there are the same size as the pipes there. And somebody was tearing down a fence and they didn't want the parts, so I got a free pipe from them. And I got the idea. So what I did was I took the white bar off this side and I just laid it down on the floor, and then I laid the chain link fence next to it, and basically cut up this pipe to be the same length as ouch, that's sharp, as the white pipe, and I installed it in here. And so I'm gonna leave this one out and use it for another template, and then cut another one, and then I'll replace that one, because it seems like it came out pretty good. And just over time, as I get these pipes, I think what I'll start doing is just replacing, because this stuff is way stronger than the white pipe that they give you. But anyways, it came out pretty good. I used they make saw blades and stuff for cutting these. There's probably a better way. My neighbor let me borrow his grinder, and I just gently, those grinders are kind of dangerous, so be careful with them. But anyways, you can look on other videos on how to cut these pipes. But it seemed to work out pretty good, so I thought I'd pass this tip along. So hopefully that will soon look like that. I don't have it quite in all the way because I just got it done, and I was a little bit surprised it worked. But thinking maybe start replacing everything with those things, and I'll have a stouter deal. They sell kits online where that's the idea, where you just buy these sections and then pipe them together. And a guy who knew how to weld could probably make these. Oh, let me show you. Oh, I don't have the things. They make a coupler. Let's see if this pipe's got one for that fence. I don't see. They make a coupler which kind of looks like, oh, here it is. So if you had to join two of those fence pieces together, you could use this on that kind of pipe to butt them up. So I saved a couple of these. I don't know how these would work, but you could almost use these to make some of those joint things. It's just an idea. Anyways, hope this video will help somebody out there. Maybe if you like it, give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, you'll see more videos as they come out. Thanks for watching.